Hey, what's going on? So today we're going to take a look at a brand new Frigidaire air conditioner. Now I think this is from 2013. It's never been opened. I actually got this as a housewarming present. Yeah, I bought a house in I think it was 2013. Anyway, somebody gave me this and I never used it. So I just dug it out of storage, and I am going to open it up just to plug it in, make sure it still works. Then I'm going to sell it. Anyway, we'll come back and take a look at it. Here's the box. Yeah, I don't see any point keeping this. It's a very, very common air conditioner, this Frigidaire model. Alright, we'll come back. Alright, I just took the lid off the box. Opens like so. Very nicely packaged. Instructions, some foam. Here's the cord, panels. Lift this off. I have to cut this tape. All right, let me cut the tape. I'll come right back. All right, I got it plugged in. We got the stuff out. Here's our energy guide. 41 bucks. I'll leave that on there. A little bit of dirt on the knob. All right. There's nothing on the back here, is there? No. Yeah, I may have to take it out of the remove this shipping block. Maybe I should look at this a little bit better. Make sure. I think I can leave that in. Just make sure there's no packing stuff in here. A little piece of foam there above the motor. I don't know if that's supposed to be there or not. What's this? I guess that was just reflection or something. I thought there was something in there. Alright, let's turn it on. Little like smudge right here. Alright, so not here to nitpick over the cleanliness of the unit. Low fan. Oh, cool. And we are running. Yeah, sounds pretty good. Yeah, this just sits right there. I'm just gonna leave it. Not going to affect anything while it's running. Oh, this has an LG compressor. Huh. Everything I look at lately is LG. So yeah, it seems to run pretty nice. It's got a Welling fan motor. And it's getting cold. Definitely not fully cold yet, but yeah, it's definitely getting cold. You know, this thing's been sitting for 10 or 11 years, so date on there. Yeah, it's from 2013. March 2013. That's when I got it. I got it this summer 2013. Yeah, somebody gave me this, and I already had an air conditioner at the time. I didn't need one, so I just never used it. And I ended up not even keeping the house very long. I ended up selling it, like at a loss. Not a good experience, but we're not going to get into that. Yeah, so yeah, it's definitely still working. I wouldn't say it's fully cold yet, but it's colder. It definitely works. You definitely got a good charge in it. So it did not leak out the refrigerant. Yeah, I didn't want to sell this without opening the box. You know, who knows if it still works. Yeah, now it's pretty cold. So let's see, this just says high and low. It's high. Yeah, this runs nice. It runs quite nice. So there you go. There's a 2013 Frigidaire, brand new. So I don't even have to clean this or anything. So, I don't know what I'm going to ask for this. You definitely have to ask for a little bit more than usual, but you know, it's still an older air conditioner. It's got no warranty or anything, so I don't know. Anyway, there you go. 2013 Frigidaire. I'll see you next time.